Today, it's ThermoPen versus ThermoPro. Guys, I have a $109 thermometer and I have a $32 thermometer. We're going to make the comparisons of these two and see which one comes out on top and what might be the best buy for you. Here we go. Let's drop these in real quick. We are at 32 now with the ThermoPen. There was not a whole lot of difference. They're both reading right at 32 degrees, guys. They're approximately the same spot in that ice slurry. And a good ice slurry should be 32 degrees. And it says 2 to 3 seconds for our ThermoPro, but it wasn't much behind the ThermoPen. Both of them read very quickly and they're both very accurate. So I like that test. We do advertise 1 second, 2 to 3 seconds. Either way, I think you're in and out of your barbecue pit real quick. I like them both. I like the lock feature on here that'll give us the temperature. It'll hold it for a few seconds where we can pull it out and look at it if we need to. Don't have that with ThermoPen. But ThermoPen, it's the Cadillac, guys. This comes in red. This comes in purple, red, yellow, orange, black, charcoal, mahogany, white. Go down the list. You've seen me over the years have different colored ThermoPens. This has always been the go-to one. But this ThermoPro, tell you what, guys, I like it. It uses a AAA battery. This uses two of the, I think they're the 2032s. They're about the size of a quarter is what the ThermoPens use. Easy to take in and out. This one has a screw to get it in and out. My old one had a twist. You use a quarter, twist it and pop it out that way. This one's the same way with the screw. You do have some measurements on the back of this one that you don't have with your ThermoPen, but we should know our temperatures anyways. So I'm liking those. One thing I do like about this is it has a magnet in it. So if I want to stick it on the wall, let's see if I can find something to stick it to. Right there. There we go. So I can stick it, it'll stay there. Don't have that option with this. They do have some covers. I think they have magnets on them you can use. Let's see how they do on the hot end. We're gonna get these beef patties out. Let y'all see those. They're the Cowboy Prime beef patty. These are beef patties, the Cowboy bacon burgers that they have here. These are about a half a pound each. Prime beef. And what I'm gonna season them up with today, guys, if you never tried this, it's Uncle Chris's from Fiesta brand, Boulder's. Uncle Chris's. Great steak seasoning. We're gonna put it on these big burgers. And not gonna take a whole lot. Right there. Flip it over. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a skillet, put a little beef tallow in it, heat it up. We're gonna brown these on both sides and finish them off in the oven. I've preheated my pan. Guys, if you wanna get a little non-stick, preheat your pan first. We're dropping in a little bit of beef tallow. Gonna melt that in there and we're gonna sear these patties off before they go into the oven to finish. So not a whole lot of tallow in there, but enough to get a good sear. You can see the smoke going. Let's drop in our prime Cowboy burgers. That looks pretty. Got a good sizzle on it. They're looking good. We're gonna brown that side, flip it over, brown the other side. Then we're gonna put them in the oven and finish them off. I'm gonna take them up to about 150 degrees. Let them carry over, cook to that 155 so they're a nice medium. Try out our thermometers right here. Should be nice and cold. They just came out of the refrigerator not too long ago. 43, took us a few seconds to get there. Let's try our ThermoPen. Look how fast that was. Guys, that ThermoPen, if it ain't nothing else, guys, it is fast. 42. Okay, let's take these. We're gonna flip them. Whew, I'll tell you what, that pan was hot. We got a nice sear on that side. Let's check it with our ThermoPro. In the center, that patty is still 50 degrees, 49, still going down. About 49, let's check it with our ThermoPen. Wasn't a second read, but it was a few seconds to get there. 53. They're both reading just about the same. Look at that. So flip it over. Instantly flips. Now, one thing that's nice also is that on the ThermoPen, it also reads up and down, right? So we got it up and down, sideways, up and down, sideways. The ThermoPro does not give us that up and down reading. Okay. Okay, let's check these temperatures, where we're at. About 109, they got a ways to go. Try this one, 119. Okay, little bit cooler on this one. So let's take them up, it's a little bit hotter. These big beef patties been resting a while, and while we were off camera, I toasted up some grilled onions and some tomatoes and cilantro and jalapenos to cover them on top with. Great way to eat those. They've been resting, so we're gonna slice these up, see how they look on the inside. So here we go. Got it ready to go. We'll give you our final review of what we think we like better, the ThermoPen or the ThermoPro. I think this is the TP620 is the model. There will be links below for both of them, so you can find them and go look at them. All right, here we go. Beef patties are looking good. Slice into it. Let y'all know what we think about this HEB prime beef. Look in there. That's nice. I think it's a little bit pink. That tells me it's medium. Beef patty's looking good. We're going to give it a try. Got a nice sear on the outside. Finish it off in the oven. And we're going to see how they turn out. I tell you what, that was pretty good. That's worth a second bite. Patty's very good. Got a good crust on it. Not cooked too much. Didn't cook all the moisture out, so that's good. And guys, instant read thermometers. You know, whatever you decide to get, I'm gonna give you a few more thoughts about these. But we're gonna let you know what our verdict is on these two. And I do have links for both of them below. I'm an affiliate. Let you know I'm an affiliate for both these companies. But I tell you what, they're both great thermometers, but 3 times as much. Really a little more than 3 times as much. 109, unless you catch them on sale. $32.95, I think. So you're looking at 96 versus 109. But they're both good. Let's get some final close-up shots for you while we're talking about what we think about them. Well, there you have it. A nice review of 2 very good, I would call them both very, very good instant read thermometers. Whichever one you pick, guys, it's important to have one. So pick one. Always have this. It's going to help your cooking very, very much if you know the exact temperatures of your meats. And I'll tell you what, I have no complaints about either one. I like the lock mechanism on this one. So if you can't see it, you stick it in, push the button, pull it out. Holds that temperature on there for a little bit for you to see. This one does give us the reading standing up or both sides. This one does not. A little bit faster, a little bit slower. It seemed like on the high end, this one was a little bit slower than going down cold to that 32 degrees that we did in the slurry. But guys, both of these are very, very good. I've owned a ton of these. This is my first one to get from ThermoPen. I just did a review of their wireless thermometers. I can put a link below for that video that you can see it, and I tried those, like them real well. But I don't think you can go wrong with either one. But this one, regular price, purple right now, is 109. And this one is 32. So that's quite the difference. On sale, black, charcoal, and I think mahogany were 76 and some change. But still, is this 3 times better than this? I really don't think so. Unless you're needing that, I want to know the temperature in 1 second. It is a little faster. The magnet in this one is tremendous. Thanks for stopping by. Always do appreciate it. I am Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. We'll see y'all now. Goodbye, everybody.